Welcome to 843 TV. I'm your host, Annalise Itkor, and today we are at the Island Rec Center here on Hilton Head Island, where a lot of very exciting things are happening.
Absolutely, a lot of expansion and renovation, and up first to share with us is our first guest, Frank Soule. He is the Executive Director here at the Island Recreation Center.
And after that, joining us is an Island favorite, Charlie Clark. She is the Vice President of Communications for the Hilton Head Bluffton Chamber of Commerce.
And finally, our last guest is Nick Bynum. He is new Communications Director at Low Country Community Church in Bluffton.
So stick around for another very informative episode of 843 TV,
where communities come to speak.
(843 TV), where Bluffton comes to speak.
Where Spring Island comes to speak.
Where Hilton Head Island comes to speak.
Where Beaufort comes to speak.
(843 TV),
where communities come to speak. Welcome to 843 TV. We are coming to you from inside the Island Recreation Center amongst all the wonderful expansions and additions and renovations. And here to share all about how things are going is Frank Soule. He is the Executive Director of the Island Recreation Center. Frank, I know it's been a long time coming, and I know it's been exciting. Share with us where you've come and where we are now with the construction.
Well, it's been 12 years in the making. We broke ground in January of 2017. It's kind of a twofold project. We are remodeling and upgrading the existing building, and we're building another 22,000 square feet building behind where we were. For those who know, it's right where the playground used to be, and back up to the baseball field. We had great partnership with the school. Town of Hilton Head was the provider of the funding for all this, $13 million. It's a $13 million project. It also includes updating the pool. We have a restroom out on the pool for those who swim. You just have to run in and outside the bathrooms.
Yes.
We go from 2 bathrooms to 12 now.
There you go.
So now we have lots of great stuff. So that's where we are. The construction process is always challenging. As anybody who's built a home or remodeled your home, it's always kind of an interesting challenge, but we're coming along. We hope sometime maybe late spring we'll be back in the current building, and then sometime mid-fall we'll have the whole project open up. The stuff at the pool may be done this summer.
This is truly a community facility, and your plan to expand that is certainly great. Tell us about the track upstairs. I think that's a great...
the track is... we have a
second level.
The second level, we have more of a fitness type component up there, which it's going to have twofold. It's going to be welcoming to everybody in the community, but also visitors to the island. And we all kind of experience the cold, chilly, cloudy weather earlier this week. Well, we plan on having lots of visitors to our island here, and along with the locals having that opportunity. But we'll have a walking track, which will have 17 laps will get you a mile. We'll also have some rooms up there where you can spin classes and other exercise classes will go on. But we'll have some weights. We'll also have some cardio equipment. It's really beautiful up there. We have 3 outcoasts that have great views of the school campus and overlooking everything that's around here. So it's really nice.
Well, it sounds like there's lots of bells and whistles. That's pretty great. I can hear people as you were talking. We can hear a few saws and things going on. Tell me about some of the other components that are going to be part of this, or some of the other offerings that are going to be happening.
Actually, downstairs we're actually adding a second gymnasium. And having the second gymnasium is going to allow us to expand our programs not only into adults. I mean, the rec center was great. It met its purpose. You got to remember, it was built in 1988. It opened in 1980. There's a few more people here since then. And so what we're going to be able to do is not only be kind of more children orientated, which will be here in the current building, but we're going to be able to offer something for their parents, and something for seniors, and something for people that come here. And the downstairs level, we have, through a gracious grant, we're going to be able to have a teen room that has the latest and greatest electronic stuff for them. Also be able to provide a little bit of homework
That's
space
fantastic.
in there. But we also have 2 large multi-purpose rooms and kind of a conference room. I've been jealous all these years about going to the town. They have these conference rooms. I can't wait to have a conference room where we can have meetings, but also host different things. I mean, one of our goals is to reach out to people, companies that come to the island, maybe smaller companies. They could use our small room that we have for training and then go upstairs and work out and do those type of things.
Talking your language now.
Yeah,
Richard.
I'm already thinking,
yeah.
knitting group in the conference room. That would be awesome. Do some classes.
Yeah, I think that there's excellent opportunities for us as we move forward in programming and reaching out to, everybody in the community. We've truly become a community center, and that's what's going to really be great.
Wow.
Very cool. What kind of programs are you guys running right now without the recreation center?
Well, actually, we've been really lucky. The school has stepped up. Sarah Owens at the IB school has stepped up and allowed us the opportunity to have our after-school program there, summer camp, and also the middle school has allowed us to have our summer camp as we kind of get toward the end of the construction here. They have allowed us to have an upcoming summer camp over there. And then the high school has really kind of been available to us for all our athletic programs along with the IB schools. So we can't thank the school enough. And so we've kind of gone seamless. We have a construction trailer outside that's a double wide where our preschool program's been. The pool's been open for the most part. So except for a lot of we're missing out on some of the ongoing classes, like we have volleyball in here and they've had to find a new home. The karate class had to find a new home. A couple adult men's basketball leagues have had to find a new home. But we can't wait to have everybody come back. I tell you, I get phone calls daily from one of those groups saying, when are you opening? When are you opening? We want back. We want back. So it's been pretty neat. So.
Well, that sort of addresses my question. I live right around the corner. I'm starting to get really excited that I live so close. Are you getting a lot of community support for these efforts?
Actually, yeah, we are. We have a group called People for Parks, and that's a group that's kind of the capital campaign that the Island Recreation Association has. We were in the process, and we help with the Crossings Park and some of the other parks and generating some dollars for that park. Well, that group has stepped back up, and not only do we have great community support, we have Rotary clubs helping us out, the Zonta clubs helping us, and all those revenues are going toward the upfitting of the building. The Marriott Vacation International stepped up. They're helping us. So we have a unique partnership. Floors to Go, small little business on Hilton Head is Steve Fisher.
I love Steve.
Yeah, and they've all stepped up to really kind of help us along with individuals and raise money. And the Kiwanis Club has really taken on the biggest challenge of developing the playground, which will be for special needs, kind of continuing on with the one we have, working with the Children's Relief Fund, and they've stepped up to raise the money for that. So. Great private-public partnership. For those who don't know, the Island Rec Association is a 501c3 that's had a long-standing relationship with the town of Hilton to provide recreation programs to the community, and this is just the next step.
Well, and the great thing is everybody's seeing your information on the screen so they can get more information about fundraising efforts. We're going to be back with more great 843 TV.